Welcome back to the Beauty Zone, where we're not just chasing flawless skin, we're mastering it. While some are already lighting up candles and setting the mood for cozy days, here it's all about the foundation of great makeup. Today's topic, the 3 golden rules of foundation, and yes, these are universal, whether you're into a natural no makeup look or love a full glam face. Because here's the truth, no matter how little or how much you wear, the foundation is your canvas. And if that canvas doesn't work, the whole picture loses its magic. So let's dive in. Rule 1, choose the right texture for your skin. There are endless options out there. Some are pricey, others budget-friendly. But the good news is, drugstore formulas today are better than ever. You don't need to spend a fortune to get a beautiful finish. But here's what matters more than the brand: texture and skincare compatibility. Every foundation is made up of 3 basic components: droplet hydration, or skincare; artist palette pigment, color; flex biceps performance, coverage and wear time. If one component dominates, the others usually step back. That's why no product can do everything at once. A super hydrating formula? It might not last all day. Long wear coverage? Might feel a bit dry or heavy. That's why the key is this: take care of your skin before applying foundation. Use a lightweight hydrating serum, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen that layers well. Then choose a foundation that performs, one that blends beautifully and supports your look, rather than trying to do all the work itself. Treat your foundation as a makeup product, not a skincare savior. That mindset shift alone will elevate your base game immediately. Rule 2, find your true match. The best foundation is the one you don't see. The ideal shade disappears into your skin, especially along the jawline and neck area. Forget trendy tones or filters that make you 3 shades lighter or darker. Match your natural undertone and test it right where your face meets your neck. If it melts into the skin without a visible line, that's your color. Many make the mistake of going too yellow, too pink, or too dark, especially when trying to look more tanned or glowing. But foundation is not bronzer. It's not meant to change your skin tone, it's meant to even it out. When your foundation matches perfectly, people will notice how radiant your skin looks, not your makeup. Rule 3, master the application. Let's talk technique. Because how you apply your foundation matters just as much as what you apply. Hands. Sure, quick and easy. But they often leave streaks and don't press product into the skin evenly. Sponges? Great for a dewy finish, especially when damp, but they can absorb a lot of product. The top tool. A foundation brush. A densely packed brush allows you to buff and press the product into your skin for a smooth, even finish, especially over textured or mature skin. Here's how to do it. Dab a small amount of foundation on the back of your hand. Pick up product with the brush and start where you need the most coverage, usually around the center of the face. Use soft tapping or buffing motions, working outward. Don't overload the brush, build coverage in thin layers. Need more coverage under the eyes, around the nose, or over spots? Tap gently with the tip of the brush or a smaller brush for precision. And remember, a good foundation application should enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. It should look like your skin, just a little more refined. So let's recap. Heavy checkmark: hydrate first, and let your skincare do the skincare. Heavy checkmark: pick a shade that disappears into your skin. Heavy checkmark: apply with care, light layers, right tools, and a soft hand. No matter the season, even in summer, this approach will keep your makeup fresh, flawless, and natural looking. And if you enjoyed these tips, feel free to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you.